All right, lots of other people have tried this. Now I'm gonna try it too. Come see what's in my fashion box. Stay tuned. Hello, beautiful. How are y'all doing out there today? My name is Missy and this channel is called Remaking Missy because I'm remaking my wardrobe, and I tried lots of style boxes. And today's gonna be Fashom. I've been watching lots of videos, other people trying Fashom, and I'm on the verge and then I back away, and then I'm on the verge and then I back away. But I just decided to pull the trigger when the nice folks from Fashom reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try their service. So we are going to try it today. A couple things about Fashom. They are all about body positivity and accepting and embracing the body that you have that does so much good work for you every day. And the hashtag that they use is better as I am. I have been trying lately, like I told y'all before, as things have been moving and shifting and whatnot, and my body is changing. I have been trying to cultivate those feelings myself about body positivity and the things I love about my body and the things I'm grateful that it does for me. I love and I'm all about their motto. A couple other things about Fashom is that all of their brands are completely exclusively vegan, which is pretty cool. And your first box is free. So you may as well just try it, right? Future boxes are a $20 styling fee. That $20 applies to anything that you buy. And Fashom also has a fantastic, probably the best discount program, in that if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off. So I told them that for this box, I wanted comfy, cozy. I'm giving in, and I just wanted something that I could live in and not worry about like being fussy, because y'all know what the deal is these days. So there's this beautiful card on the inside, which tells me I have 3 days to try everything on. It tells me about the discount program. And so we've got that there. And then we also have the invoice of the 5 items. I did get an email. Oh, this is kind of cool. They tell you the 25% off price, the 30% off price, and the full price. So I did get an email to preview the items. I believe they had chosen 7 items, and then I got to select the 5 items that I wanted to receive from the 7. All right, we are going to get into these items. Oh, let me see if I have a note from my stylist. I'm going to read the note from my stylist and you can see what's in my box. It says, "Hi Missy, your first Fashom box has arrived. I'm excited to work together and add some great pieces to your wardrobe. Your profile said you're interested in comfy clothes since we're all spending lots of time at home. In this first box, I gave you a V-neck brushed knit long sleeve top from our best-selling eco-friendly brand Natural Life. It's in a versatile heather gray, and I thought it would go well with the on-trend tie-dye print white birch joggers. I hope you have a lot of fun trying these pieces on, and please leave feedback on how everything fits. The more feedback you leave, the better I can understand your fit, style, and get you the perfect pieces. Feel free to request any specific pieces in your next box. Enjoy, Morgan." All right, Morgan, let's see what we got. I will say Morgan sent exactly what I asked for. Everything felt very soft, very stretchy, very comfy, very cozy. It was exactly what I wanted. And so now we just need to determine what I need. The first item that I tried on were the joggers. I am not a tie-dye girl. Tie-dye is not my thing. But there was something about the pattern of the tie-dye on these joggers that were a little bit different. One of the things that I liked is that it was more like muted and it wasn't like loud colors. And so that I did appreciate. In terms of the fit of these joggers, I thought they fit incredibly well. They were long enough, they were baggy enough, they were soft, and these joggers are very light. They just felt very light and airy and comfy. The one thing that I was not expecting about these joggers is that the pull string was not really a pull string. It was just a tie, but it did not tighten the waist at all. But the fit of the joggers was great, so I don't really need to tighten the waist, but that's just one thing you should know about these joggers if you're interested in them. They have pockets, which is always a plus, and I'm really considering those joggers. So yeah, we'll see. That's one thing that is in our maybe pile. The next top, the Natural Life dolman sleeve top. This one almost could be like a tunic, like it could be worn with some leggings as well, which would be a great comfy, cozy look. I appreciate that about it. It, you know, you can pull it down, you can wear it longer, you can pull it up. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a look back at the footage and see if I love it. But I did like it. It was comfortable. It was really nice. I do like the dome and sleeve. I can appreciate the dome and sleeve because lately I have been feeling like the rolls on my back have been showing a little bit, and so the cut of a dome and sleeve top is appropriate for that, at least for my comfort level and for me being pretty comfortable in what I wear. The joggers are in the keep pile, then that would be in the maybe pile. It's definitely not a no. The Paper Moon sweater, I wanted to like that so much. I thought a lot about that sweater was nice in that it was lightweight, but it still felt nice and soft and comfortable and warm. Then that brings us to another Natural Life item. It was the V-neck long sleeve tee. This is just a basic gray tee, perfect, nice length, nice sleeve length. Everything about it was just really, really nice. And it's one of those staples that you can put in your closet and you can wear with lots of things. I really did. I liked that tee quite a bit. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna go in the keep pile with the joggers. And then the last item I'm gonna share is giving me fits. It's another cardigan. How many cream color cardigans does one person need? This one was damn near perfect though. It was perfectly slouchy. I loved the pockets. I loved the cream color. It just felt like I was wrapped in a blanket. And I can really appreciate that. And you know what? Given the amount of time we're spending at home, how many cardigans can a person have? I don't know. What do we have? 7 days in a week? So there's kind of that. The cardigan is like replacing all of my blazers these days, it seems. And this one was definitely a lovely one. And for the price, I thought it was pretty good. One of the things that I do really appreciate while I'm looking at this price sheet about Fashom is that 3 to 4 item 25% off. Like, that's pretty incredible. The materials were pretty quality in terms of the way they felt on my body. That was a positive. The communication between me and the company was pretty good. The subtotal for all 5 items in the box was $240. With the 30% discount, that would have been $72 off. So everything in that box for $168. That's a pretty damn good box, I would say. So thank y'all for watching my first Fashom video. I will be trying Fashom again. I want to see what they have. So I'm definitely going to try Fashom again. It was a very positive experience. If you would like to try Fashom, I have a link down in the description box. If you click on that link, as always, your first box is free. It does give me a $10 Fashom credit if you use my link. So use it if you want. If not, go ahead and get your free box and enjoy you some Fashom. All right, y'all. Live, love, and laugh. See you later. Bye.